Okay, so you know how everyone's always wondering, like, are we actually alone out there in space?
Oh, yeah, for sure. It's a question that just never seems to go away, does it?
No, it really doesn't. And honestly, with all these recent discoveries, it feels like we're getting closer and closer to maybe actually finding an answer, you know?
Absolutely not. That's what we're going to be looking at today, right? Some of
E-
the most recent findings that suggest we might not be alone in the universe.
Exactly. And we're diving deep into three really intriguing discoveries,
Mhm.
starting with something right here in our own solar system.
Okay, let me guess Europa.
You got a Jupiter's moon, Europa.
Well, with all the excitement around it lately, it's hard not to think about that massive ocean hiding beneath the ice.
Right. And what's even more wild is that the James Webb Space Telescope just detected a pretty significant amount of carbon dioxide in that ocean.
Oh, wow, that's huge because, carbon dioxide, that's a potential sign of life.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It suggests there might be an active hydrothermal system down there on Europa's ocean floor,
Kind of like the ones we have here on Earth that support those chemosynthetic life forms.
the ones that don't need sunlight to survive, right?
That's the one.
So if carbon dioxide is there, what else are scientists hoping to find? Could we actually find microbes swimming around in Europa's ocean?
Well, they'll definitely be looking for other organic molecules, and with NASA planning missions to actually drill through the ice, who knows what they might find.
It's crazy to think we might find alien life right in our own cosmic backyard.
It really is, but then you hear about something like this radio signal from a distant galaxy.
8 billion light years away.
8 billion. See, that's the kind of stuff that really makes you
I
pause.
know, and this signal is strong and it's repeating like a pattern,
Yeah, I read about that, and it's so regular. That's what makes it really weird.
right? Because natural phenomena can be periodic, but not usually this consistent over such a massive distance.
Exactly. So it makes you wonder, could this be some kind of extraterrestrial technology?
It's hard not to jump to that conclusion, right?
It really is, and if it is, imagine how advanced that civilization must be.
I know it's mind-blowing. All right, let's shift gears a bit and talk about something a little less um, anchored, I guess you could
Big
say.
feathered.
Yeah, untethered rogue planets, these worlds drifting through space without a star.
Yeah, those are fascinating. You'd think they'd be completely frozen solid, right?
Right. But here's the thing. Some scientists believe that rogue planets might actually have internal heat sources like radioactive decay or leftover energy for their formation,
And that heat could be enough to keep water liquid beneath the surface.
creating these hidden underground oceans.
Wow, so you're saying there could be entire oceans teeming with life on these rogue planets just drifting through the darkness?
It's a pretty wild thought, isn't it? And it really challenges our whole idea of where life can exist.
For sure, it's like the ultimate test of adaptability, right?
Absolutely. So we've got potential life in Europa's ocean, this
Right.
crazy radio signal, and the possibility of life on rogue planets.
That's a lot to consider.
It is. So what do you
Yeah.
think? Are we close to proving we're not alone?
I mean, these discoveries are definitely pushing us in that direction, aren't they?
They really are.
They make you wonder what else is out there waiting to be found.
Exactly like what other forms of life might exist in the universe.
In places we haven't even begun to imagine.
That's the really exciting part, right? We've only just scratched the surface of what's possible.
Who knows what we'll discover next?
I can't wait to find out.
Me neither.
Thanks for joining us today for this deep dive into the possibility of alien life.
It's been a pleasure.
Until next time, keep looking up and keep wondering because the universe is full of surprises.
That it is.